What is up, YouTube? Inside the here again. Back at it with another video. So we had an issue with the Mustang. A P0171 code popped up. It's running lean. I checked it up online. It could be the fuel filter or the dirty mass airflow sensor or a vacuum leak or a couple more stuff. But I took out the mass airflow sensor, cleaned it, replaced the fuel filter, and I was hoping it would be better after that, but it didn't. So what I'm doing today, as you can see, is gonna try for a vacuum leak. I didn't want to fucking buy a fucking smoke, machine that makes smoke and everything. So I just made my own thing with a soldering iron and some towels with baby oil inside. So it's just, yeah, that little thing. But yeah, I think I found the problem right here. There's a lot of smoke coming out, so I think that's where I'm getting that vacuum leak from. Because other than that, nothing else is, no smoke's coming out of any other place. So hopefully that's the only problem. And yeah, that's the only problem I see that the smoke's coming from. So hopefully that's it for that. Yeah, you can just see all the smoke coming from the bottom, the mass airflow sensor. I don't know if you can see it, but a lot of the smoke's coming from the sensor. So I'll probably just have to tighten it a little bit more here on this side. But other than that, I don't see any of the smoke coming from any part of the engine. So I'm hoping I'll just take that out, clean it just to be a little bit more on the safe side, and tighten it all the way. See, hopefully that takes out the code and runs a little bit more better. So yeah, hopefully I'll be back soon. got the check engine there, but that's hopefully that's just because of the no cats, so the engine light pops up because of that. Yeah, it runs good. Yes, man. Only if it was stick manual, damn, that'd been so much more funner. But unfortunately, we got this thing. But hey, still have fun with this car. That's all that matters. Alright, let's just try this 1, 2, 3 action right here. Let's see how it goes. Sounds good so far. Sounds good. YouTube, it's your boy Anthony here, back at it. So once I fixed that leak, the vacuum leak, I just left it there for like an hour and I had to go to work. So I drove the car from work and back, and I just got off work right now. And the code hasn't popped up so far. It's just the old code is the ones I had before. It's 102. Hopefully that fixes it. Hopefully it doesn't end up popping up later on today. Yeah, later on today, since it's morning already. But yeah, hope you guys liked the video. If anything pops up or the code pops up, I'll let you guys know. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys liked it. Remember to comment down below, and thank you for watching. Later.